It's kind of dark in here. I don't got good light. Hey, Ruby. My buddy Ruby here. Before I got him, when we learned a few little kinks, because I don't know what his previous owner was before my grandma gave him to me. He tends to hate things that are involving cups and bottles for some odd reason. Look, watch. Let's see. Whoop! Get it, Ruby. Hey, don't eat my bed. Get it, Ruby. Get it. Get it, boy. Get it. Boy, see? Now, I'm gonna make a game out of it. No, I'm not saying I'm going to actually, provoke him, per se. I'm not traumatizing my bird here. Gonna see if he can play cat. Pass it back. Pass it back. Hey. Hey, my turn. My turn. I've seen some parrots, an old video where they show birds doing tricks. One of them is actually passing a hacky sack from the ground straight into the air to their owner. Hey, get it. Get it, boy. See? Nothing wrong with the bottle. It ain't gonna hurt you. Look at it. Look at it. It ain't doing nothing. See? It ain't doing nothing. It can't do nothing to you. See? Ain't gonna do nothing. Let me put the cap off. There you go, boy. Empty. Come on. See, he's scared. Trying to teach him that there's nothing wrong with this thing. See? Your turn. See? See? Good boy. Here's a cap. You want the cap? Go ahead. Get the cap. He's got Kool-Aid.